So look guys, we're in a big rich person yard. We don't know if this rich, but we know the yard is big. Look at that guys. So big, right? It's so nice. You can even make a pool over here, right? Well, rich people these days don't know what to do with their life. But look at that bird. Y'all can't see it. It just gone. Look at another one. Aw, look at you. So yeah, this is the restaurant I'm telling you about. It's probably be and what we do. I'm trying to give all you a better view. Y'all can see how it looks. I bring y'all a little closer so y'all can see the look. I just wanna look at better. See guys, it looks so beautiful, right? Don't look him over here. He's breaking up all the batteries and all of that.
Yeah. Back with another episode of You Don't Know. We working in St. Martin. I got a young protege here in training. Let me leave him introduce himself to you know what I mean? I get familiar with him. You're going to see him on a couple episodes working with me and stuff. So yeah, let me leave you holler at the boy. So introduce yourself to the people now, let them know who you be.
My name is Ravohn. I am 14 years old. I have met him on the road cutting grass by himself. So I went to ask to see if I could get a job. And now you see I got a job.
Yeah, you see, when you see the youths them want to do a thing, and the young especially, support them. You know what I mean? Keep them on the right path. More to come. Yet, sorry for the joint in my mouth. More to come. I ain't smoking wrong him though, you know, but watch nothing. Peace.
We out.
We out, recording. So yeah. How you like the work so far?
Well, it's good, it's nice. It just feels nice for me. I don't know about y'all out there, but I have really loved doing this from the first time when I start.
Bopping.
Fix it.
Fix what?
I need a string.
You need a string. Okay, you hold the camera. Let me show the people them how we are string the thing out. Okay?
Okay.
This is how you string the thing out. You have many different type of weed whackers. Okay? This is not the correct way to open it, but I use this because it's faster for me. I speak like I'm from Ghetto now. Hold this. Okay, now I have it. Let me take off my gloves. I should have do it without my gloves on first, but hey, can't complain. I only take off my gloves so I'll be able to pull the string fast. Just now the string finish. Tomorrow we put new string. Okay. See the little hole here? That's where you put the string in. You clip it there and you clip it here. And you put it in the hole and you put this one in the hole. And there you go. And you can pull it. See? I pull it. Now you put the cover back on. I turn it upside down because I have to see the groove. Okay, you see the grooves here? You have to put it in the grooves. Stop the grooves here. Here's the grooves. Here's the teeth. You put the teeth in the grooves. You got it. Okay?
Okay, we gonna watch you cut now.
You gonna watch me cut the grass?
Yeah, we gonna watch you.
Put my gloves on.
Always make sure y'all put on all your gloves, cause you know what gonna be there. Oh.
Yes, you put on your gloves for protection. You put on your eyeglasses for protection. So nothing don't fly and hit in your eye. Okay? Okay.
Cause guys, remember, safety come first.
Can go up now. Got it. The weed whacker kind of old, so you pull it a lot for it to start, okay? Yeah.
Now you have your cut, but now we have a bigger problem. What it is? We have a big branch on the floor. You see, guys, a big branch. And look, another one. So, you know what we have to use? We have to bring the big clipper. Y'all know what's a big clipper? There it is, a big clipper.
The big clipper.
We use a clipper to clip the big stuff out. Like you see this? We use that clipper to clip it out. Now my friend is going to demonstrate y'all to show y'all how to really cut it. So there we go.
You start with a small one first. Yeah. Now the bigger one. Yeah.
Wow, you see, guys? Now we all gone.
Ta-da!
Now we all nearly finished. Now, you need a big guy to break them. Because this is a big, big clipper. So you gotta be strong, kids. Strong people to break. You don't got no strong people?
This one here, we're gonna leave it because the big clipper can't clip this one.
Look, you see?
It don't go. So you have to cut it with a chainsaw. Right now I don't have the chainsaw on the truck, so right now it's good. So because once GEBE come, they can check the meter, read it good and thing. Yeah.
And you see, guys, we got it cut. Say bye to the vlog.
Bye.
See you next one. So guys, this is another clip. You see how big the yard is? We have a big, big dog over there. And look, our friend. He's right over there. But now look at that. It looks like they're cutting grass over there, which is done already cut already. So this is gonna make it a little bit more better. See, we drive from up there to down here to cut that. So you see, it's always good to learn, kids. So look, guys, we're in a big, big rich person yard. We don't know if this rich, but we know the yard is big. Look at that, guys. So big, right? It's so nice. You can even make a pool over here, eh? Well, rich people these days don't know what to do with their life. But look at our bird. Y'all can't see it. It just gone. Look at another one. Aw, look at you. So yeah, this is the rest I'm telling you about. This is what we be and what we do. I'm trying to give all you a better. But look, I just want to look at better. Ooh, oh. You see, guys? It looks so beautiful, right? Now look him over here. He's breaking up all the bad things and all that.